Hey there, it's Graham Nichols here from the Priority Academy. I hope you're well. I wanted to make this quick video today just to show you what you can get if you join the Priority Academy professional membership. So let's get started with the courses, shall we? First of all, when you start with the professional membership, you get all of these courses. There are quite a few of these practitioner, I call them practitioner level courses. So whether you want to learn NLP or be a meditation teacher or emotional intelligence, EFT, cognitive behavioral therapy, strategic life coaching, hypnosis, self-hypnosis, Ho'oponopono, law of attraction, it doesn't really matter. You get access to all of those courses, all of those practitioner level courses. Plus there are 7 other bonus courses that you can get hold of as well. You get all of those as part of the professional membership. On top of that, we also hold fortnightly professional members meetings. And you've got all of the recordings of those that have already happened. So we're up to 17 at the moment. That's how many we've done as of the point of recording this. And these get dropped in there the day after the meeting, and you can go back and watch them. Of course, you can attend all of them live as well. It's entirely up to you how many you come to, but you can always catch up on them. And we cover things such as, aspects of marketing, a year of growth, marketing ideas, when things aren't going well, money mindset, procrastination, neurological levels, business goals. We cover a whole bunch of different stuff in those, and we keep adding to those every single week. So you also get access to that. Plus, you also get access to a private members only space. Only members can see in here. So you've got a general discussion here where I post different questions, different thoughts for you to get your head around and answer. Plus, people put their own discussion points in there. Plus, there's a whole bunch of pre-recorded workshops for you, everything from therapeutic relationships to 5 steps to making a value offer, email marketing platforms, how to plan just about anything. So there's a whole bunch of those in there as well. Plus, you get access to the Priority Academy approval program. This is about you becoming an approved, accredited practitioner with the Priority Academy. This is a really unique thing in the online world, in the fact that very often you buy an online course and you're just left to it, and there's maybe a little bit of support via email or message or something like that, but you generally get left alone. What insurance companies are looking for and what clients are looking for is to know that you are approved in some way. The approval program does exactly that. So there's a specific a set of criteria you have to meet, including a certain amount of courses and training time, plus practice time with clients, and there's a final in-person assessment with me that you have to complete before you get approved. And that is going to help you in no end of ways, both with your clients and with getting insurance and all of that sort of stuff as well. So you get access to that as part of the professional membership. There's a whole bunch of articles on business mastery, how to improve your business, how to start your business. So things like never underestimate this, working on these critical points of your business, stop doing what you're doing. Is content marketing dead? So there's a whole bunch of articles in there. As you can see, there's loads. There's the members events, which I've just talked about. You can get accountability partners with other people, other members from in the practitioner academy, or the professional membership academy. And there's some coaching demos as well. So I've done live coaching with some of the members, and you can go in there and you can watch those, and I put commentary all the way through. So you get trained by seeing people actually getting coached. And we're talking things like values and beliefs and emotions and that sort of thing in there as well. So you get all of that content, all of the courses, the pre-recorded members meetings, and you get to attend them live as well if you can, and you get all of this stuff in the community as well. Now, what do you have to pay for that? Well, actually, I think I've made this as cheap as I can, and there's one of the members tells me on a regular basis it feels like he's stealing from me because he's paying so little and getting so much from it. So you have 3 options. The basic membership is $9 a month. Yes, $9 a month. However, all you get for that are the practitioner courses. Those practitioner courses I showed you right at the start. So going back to these, you get all of those for $9 a month. That's it for the basic membership. That's all you get for that. For the monthly membership, the professional membership, you get is $27 a month. Wherever you're from in the world, you'll have to work out how much that is per month. But for that, you get everything I've just described. So all of the courses, you get all of the recorded meetings, plus I get to attend all the meetings twice a month, fortnightly meetings, plus you get the private members community. So you get all of that for $27 a month. Or if you want to sign up annually, you can do that as well. It's $297 per year. So you get some money off that as well for signing up annually. So you can choose whichever of those three you want, whichever a level of content you want, plus all of those three also includes a 7-day free trial. So you can sign in, not pay a thing for 7 days. You can check out all the content, make sure it's for you, make sure it's what you want, make sure I'm not talking complete rubbish, and all of that stuff really is there, although you've just seen it on the screen, so you know it is. And you can get that 7-day free trial. And then if you choose to, you can cancel that before the 7 days is up and you won't get charged a penny. If you do leave it for that, obviously you then get start getting charged whichever of these you've chosen. So let me be absolutely clear here. With the basic membership, you are getting all of my practitioner level courses. With the monthly membership, you are getting practitioner level courses, fortnightly meetings you can attend live, plus you get the recorded version as well, and you can catch up on all the meetings we've already had. Plus you get access to the approved practitioner program and get to work through that, get all your credentials together, and then get an in-person assessment with me, which will just help you with credibility for your clients and will help you with your insurance company. And you get the private community with all of the pre-recorded workshops, with all of the articles about business mastery, with all of the events details, with an accountability partner folder, and you get some live coaching demonstrations pre-recorded as well. And all of that for either $27 a month or $297 per year, whichever you choose to. And there's no minimum monthly time to stay in there. You can cancel at any time. That's entirely up to your choice. So all you have to do now is go to www.thepriorityacademy.com/membership. I'll run through all of that again on the screen. You'll be able to see all of that on the screen. Plus, you can see here there's a few video testimonials you can check out from people who are already in the membership. And then you just click whichever one of the buttons you want to sign up for, and boom, you're in. You get all of that instant access. And remember, you're getting it for 7 days for free to start with. That's right, 7 days for free. If you cancel before the end of the 7 days, you don't pay a penny. If you don't cancel and you want to carry on, you get access to all of that for as long as you stay a member. How does that sound? Sound like an awesome deal to you? I hope so, because I think it's an awesome deal. So come on, visit thepriorityacademy.com/membership, and I look forward to seeing you in a members meeting really soon.